this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you another villa in Sosúa Ocean Village. It's almost finished and I think it's time to show it to you once more. So why don't you come on in? This is a beautiful 2-bedroom villa, really nicely laid out. You see it's not fully finished, they're working on the kitchen. But it's already very far along. You can see that it has beautiful coral stone floors, which haven't been polished yet, but it's really, once they're gonna be polished, it's really beautiful. So you see the kitchen has quartz countertops. You see the beautiful wooden cabinets and white lacquered on top, really beautiful. And then a beautiful pool area. They already planted some plants, so it's gonna become more private in a while. And then here, we're gonna go and see the bedrooms. You can see there's still a lot of work material going around, but you can already see what it's gonna look like when everything is gonna be finished. So, beautiful bedroom with ensuite bath. And then there's another one, which I'm gonna show you now. Beautiful, another bedroom with a sliding door towards the bathroom and then the walk-in closet, really nice and big and spacious. And let's go and check out, I think there's a half bath left. It has a walkout to the pool area, which is really nice. And then this is exactly as I said, another half bath when you have visitors come over. Really nice and spacious. So this is the perfect home if you're looking for a home away from home, because it literally gives you the space you need, enough yard, not too much maintenance to be done, but still spacious enough, and also fantastic rental potential in this residential. So I think it's good to see how far it's come along. It doesn't need a lot to be finished, so if you're ready to buy, this property can be finished in the next couple of weeks. So check out the link here below for more information and the price. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.